Ma'am, the last question is not clear. Can you please explain again?
Which last question? Okay, this one. Number of protons in the nucleus. Okay, this one. Okay, question number
Yes.
55. Number of electrons, number of protons in the nucleus of one atom is 5. So why they are saying proton? Because number of protons and electrons are equal. Okay, so number of electrons are also 5. If 5 are there, then its atomic electronic configuration will be 2, 3. Okay. Now, if it is forming iron, it will be losing these 3 electrons. So Y will be 3 plus. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. So next question. Question number 56. Okay. Out of KCl, HCl, CCl4 and NaCl, which is not ionic? Okay. KCl, K is potassium. This is chlorine. Potassium ka atomic number anybody knows? It is 19.
Ma'am, 19.
Yes, 19. Okay. So it has इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो होता है वो होता है 2881. Okay. So it has 1 electron in its outermost shell. Chlorine, its atomic number is 17. It has 7 electron in its outermost shell. Okay. So there is transfer of electrons. K becomes K plus and say Cl becomes minus, and there will be 8 electrons here, and this way transfer of electrons will take place and ionic bond will be formed. Okay. Next, in case of HCl, if we see, okay, in case of HCl, hydrogen has 1 electron and chlorine has 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So in this case, actually there is sharing of electrons. It shares this and this shares this. Matlab, chlorine offers 1 electron for sharing and hydrogen also offers 1 electron for sharing. So after sharing, the bond formed is hydrogen has now 2 electrons and chlorine has 8. So this is not an ionic bond, but it is a covalent bond. Okay. Then in case of NaCl, we have already seen it is ionic bond. And in case of CCl4, CCl4 is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon has 4 electron in its outermost shell. We have seen in case of methane. Chlorine has 7. Okay. So each chlorine has 7 electrons. So there is sharing of electrons again this way. Okay. And carbon, its number will be 8 this way. Okay. So CCl4 and HCl, they both will be forming covalent bonds, and NaCl and KCl will be forming ionic bond. So covalent bond is in case of which of is not ionic bond? HCl and CCl4 is the correct answer. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? Anybody? Okay. So this is the difference. Okay. Most of the carbon compounds form covalent bonds. This you can remember. So that will be a hint for MCQs. In case covalent bond का या ionic, which of them does not form ionic compound, तो एक hint ये होगा कि carbon compounds ज़्यादातर covalent bond ही form करते हैं. Okay. Then coming to question number 57, element X reacts with element Y to form a compound Z. During the formation of compound Z, atoms of X, basically X atoms of X lose one electron, whereas atom of Y gain one electron. Which of the following property is not shown by compound Z? ठीक है. So सबसे पहले तो Z का नेचर कैसा होगा? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, alloy.
Basically X and Y are reacting and atoms of X lose one electron whereas atom of Y gain one electron. तो किस टाइप का कंपाउंड फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? What type of electron is taking place, like sharing?
Ionic compound.
Yes, very good. So answer is they are forming ionic compound because there is transfer of electron taking place. The hint is basically this only, that X lose one electron whereas Y gain one electron. So there is transfer of electron. So this is an ionic compound. So which of the following property is shown by ionic compound, they are asking, or which of the following property is not? Here there is not shown by ionic compound. Okay. So high melting point is shown by ionic compound. Occurrence as solid is also shown by ionic compound. Conduction of electricity in molten state is also shown by ionic compound. But low melting point, this is not shown. High melting point is shown by ionic compound. So correct answer is B. Okay. B is the correct answer. Okay. Number 58. One of the following compound is not ionic in nature. The compound is. Okay. अब यहाँ पे हमको इतना डिटेल सबका इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बना के यू डोंट हैव टू डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर. वी कैन जस्ट थिंक लिथियम का एटॉमिक नंबर 3 होता है. 3 होगा तो आंसर विल बी
D. Ma'am, option D. Carbon tetrachloride.
Okay, why?
Ma'am, because it's covalent.
And because carbon mostly does not show ionic compound.
Right. I
Yes,
told already that the carbon always mostly shows covalent compounds, not ionic. Okay. So carbon always shows covalent compounds. What
Covalent.
लिथियम का एटॉमिक नंबर 3 होता है तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा 2,1. So 1 electron in its outermost shell, and chlorine has 1 deficient in its outermost shell. So there will be transfer of electrons. Similarly, calcium has 2 electrons extra because atomic number of calcium is 20. Chlorine has 1 electron deficient. So it will be also be forming ionic compounds. Ammonium chloride, we have already seen ammonium ion has NH4+, chlorine has minus. So when they form compound, we have seen ammonium chloride, there is this way. So this is also by transfer of electrons. Carbon tetrachloride, this is actually a case of covalent compound. So